In this video, we compare HS440 Foldable FPV Drone and DJI Air 3 combo. By the end of this video, we hope you will know which of these two products suits your needs. The Holy Stone HS440 Foldable FPV Drone is a versatile device equipped with a 1080p HD auto-adjustable camera that offers a wide-angle lens for capturing stunning aerial scenery. With a robust modular battery, the drone provides an extended flight time of up to 20 minutes, allowing you to explore and capture more of your surroundings. Despite its compact size, the HS440 is packed with intuitive and advanced features and comes with a handy carrying case for easy portability. The HS440 drone ensures a streamlined and safer operation with features like automatic takeoff and precise hovering, along with the excitement of one-key high-speed rotation. The drone is perfect for beginners, boasting intelligent functions such as emergency stop, headless mode, and altitude hold, alongside user-friendly features like long flight time. Priced at $84.99, the HS440 drone promises a new adventure with every flight, making it an excellent value for money. The DJI Air 3 combo is a game-changer in aerial photography, boasting dual cameras that are perfect for capturing breathtaking immersive shots. This drone is compliant with FAA Remote ID rule, enhancing its safety features and making it worry-free for users. Its omnidirectional obstacle sensing feature provides comprehensive protection, especially in challenging environments. The DJI Air 3 combo captures stunning 48-megapixel images, allowing for high-quality crops and revealing surprising details in every shot. With its ability to record 4K 60 FPS HDR videos, it provides immersive footage with rich details and vibrant colors. The DJI Air 3 combo offers a stable 04 HD transmission, ensuring smooth flights with a reliable and clear live feed up to 20 kilometers. The HS440 Foldable FPV Drone and the DJI Air 3 combo are two remarkable drones, each with unique qualities that make them stand out. As a foldable drone, the HS440 is compact and portable, making it easy to carry around for outdoor adventures. The drone is also user-friendly, with many intelligent and intuitive features that make it suitable for beginners. In contrast, the DJI Air 3 combo is a high-end drone that offers advanced features for professional aerial photography. It boasts dual cameras that capture breathtaking shots, and its omnidirectional obstacle sensing feature ensures safety during flight. Although the DJI Air 3 combo is priced higher than the HS440, it offers superior image quality with 48-megapixel images and 4K 60 FPS HDR videos. The HS440, on the other hand, offers good value for money with a 1080p HD camera and an extended 20-minute flight time. In conclusion, the HS440 is an excellent choice for beginners and hobbyists, while the DJI Air 3 combo is more suited for professional photographers and serious drone enthusiasts.